Diwali, a vibrant 5 day festival that begins with Dhanteras and culminates with Bhai Dooj, often referred to as the Festival of Lights. Diwali embodies the themes of joy, prosperity, and happiness. The day of this festival carries its own significance and rituals, contributing to the overall festive spirit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The festivities kick off with Dhanteras, where people clean their homes and purchase new items, especially metal, to invite prosperity. The second day, Kali Chaudas, focuses on honoring the goddess Kali and cleaning oneself of negativity. The third day, Narak Chaturdashi, also known as Choti Diwali, marks the triumph of Lord Krishna over the demon Narkasura and is celebrated with early morning rituals and the lighting of lamps. The main day of Diwali, celebrated on Kartik Amavasya, is dedicated to Lakshmi Pujan, where families worship Goddess Lakshmi, the harbinger of wealth and well-being. Homes are illuminated with oil lamps, candles, and colorful decorations, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness. Diwali is usually celebrated during the Hindu lunar solar month of Ashwin and Kartika, which generally happens to occur between mid October and mid November. According to the traditional Hindu calendar, Diwali falls on Amavasya, the 15th day of Kartik. In 2024, Diwali will be celebrated on Friday, that is on November 1st. According to different Panchang, the most favorable time for celebration will be from 5:36 pm to 6:16 pm. The time mentioned here varies accordingly. This year, there will be 1 day gap between Dhanteras, celebrated on October 29, and Choti Diwali, which falls on 31st October. This schedule is in keeping with the tradition observance of this festival according to the Hindu lunar calendar. For the celebration, the Pradosh Kal, a highly auspicious time, will occur from 5:36 pm to 8:11 pm, with the Brishab Kal will take place from 6:20 pm to 8:15 pm. Time may vary according to different Panchang. The Amavasya Tithi or the new moon phase will begin at 3:52 pm on 31st October and will last until 6:16 pm on 1st November on 2024. These timing are significant as they guide various rituals and prayers associated with the festivities, particularly the worship of Goddess Lakshmi on the main day of Diwali. Each of these time frames is considered ideal for performing specific rites, enhancing the spiritual significance of the festival. The origin of Diwali is dated back to the ancient Hindu mythology. One prominent legend recounts the return of Lord Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, to his kingdom of Ayodhya after vanquishing the demon king Ravana. On that significant night, which fell on Amavasya, the no moon day in the month of Kartik, the citizens of Ayodhya celebrated Lord Rama's homecoming by illuminating their homes with diya, that is earthen lamps, and adorning their doorstep with rangoli, colorful patterns made from various materials. In South India, Diwali is celebrated to commemorate Lord Krishna's victory over demon Narkasura. Additionally, this day is believed to mark the wedding of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. Some legend even suggest that Goddess Lakshmi emerged on this new moon night during the month of Kartik. Globally, Deepavali or the Festival of Light is celebrated with immense joy and enthusiasm. Households honor God Ganesha and goddess Lakshmi along with their valuable possessions through special prayers. After the puja, family shares sweets and gifts with neighbors and friends. The festivities are further illuminated by children and adults bursting firecrackers and lighting diyas, filling the air with cheer and celebrations. From Creations Lab, wish you all a happy Diwali. May the festival of light fill your life with peace, prosperity, and happiness. With this wish, meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.